How to fix Roblox thinking you are on mobile. PC Browser Fix 2025. If Roblox interface looks like the mobile app on your desktop browser, you have likely triggered the mobile view. This is a quick and easy fix that doesn't require any special software. Here's the step-by-step process. Fix 1. The fast and direct method. Launch your preferred web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Press the F12 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the menu. In the Developer Tools window that opens, look for an icon that looks like a mobile phone and a tablet together. This is the Toggle Device Toolbar button. If this button is highlighted, it means the browser is in mobile view. Click this button to turn it off. Once the device toolbar is turned off, simply refresh your Roblox page by pressing the F5 key or clicking the refresh icon next to the address bar. The Roblox website should now load in its proper desktop view. Fix 2. Check your browser extensions. If the first fix doesn't work, a browser extension is likely the culprit. In your browser, go to the Extensions page. Look for any extensions that change the appearance of websites or modify your browser's user agent string. Disable each extension one at a time by toggling its switch to the off position. After disabling an extension, go back to Roblox and refresh the page. If the desktop view returns, you have found the extension that was causing the problem. You can then choose to keep it disabled or uninstall it. Fix 3. Clear your browser cache. As a final resort, corrupted cache data might be causing the issue. Clear browse data. Choose a time range of all time. Ensure that cache, images, and files is checked. You can also check cookies and other site data if you want to be thorough. Click Delete Data, close and reopen your browser, then try to access Roblox.